Hello everyone, my name is Igor and I have been trading binary options for over 11 years. Today I'll show you my trading session with the broker Quotex. We'll be trading based on support and resistance levels with an expiration time of 5 minutes and a trade amount of $25. Let's get started with chart analysis, see what's happening in the market today, and find out where we can open trades. US dollar to Japanese yen. I'm going to open a trade for an increase at the local minimum. The price has hit the support zone and most likely it won't be able to break through it. Trade for an increase. Euro to Australian dollar, opening a trade for a decrease. We have a resistance zone here. There's another resistance zone above. But for now, we're trading from the nearest one. The zone is clearly visible to us. You can see that the price has reversed from this zone before. And previously this zone was used as a support zone, basically here as well. We are waiting for a price reversal. Most likely the price will go lower. Regarding the euro to yen, I will open a trade for an upward movement. Here we had a sideways channel for quite a significant period of time with clearly defined upper and lower boundaries of the channel. So, now the price has returned to the previously broken resistance zone, which is now acting as a support zone. Most likely the price will continue its trajectory higher. Yes, in fact, it's already moving in the right direction. Australian dollar to Canadian dollar, opening a trade for an increased local minimum. The price has hit the support zone. Everything here is as simple as it gets. You can see that the price has tried to break through this zone many times. Most likely it won't succeed this time either. Australian dollar, Japanese yen. I'll also open a trade for an increase here. The situation is similar here. Earlier we had a sideways channel here with the lower boundary of the channel. And here is the upper boundary of the sideways channel. And right from the upper boundary of the sideways channel, which is now a support zone, we open a trade for an increase. We have the same situation with the euro yen. Euro British pound, a trade for a decrease. Here we have a resistance zone, which is also the previous boundary of the sideways channel. The price broke through the sideways channel, came back to consolidate, and will most likely go lower. That's it for now. 6 trades are open. I think that's quite enough. Let's see what we actually have. Euro Australian dollar. It's hovering around the entry point. Nothing is changing so far. US dollar Japanese yen. It's in the negative for now, by the way. Here. I don't know if it's worth it or not. There's a local minimum here. We had one. Yeah, the price dropped a little. Alright, I won't take the risk. I'll leave everything as it is. If it closes in the red, then so be it. Maybe the price will still have time to come back. Euro yen. Here the price is showing confident growth. Although all my assets with the yen are going up, so I'll duplicate the trade. There's a high probability that the movement will continue and all the trades will close in profit. Although there are about 20 minutes left here, that's actually not much. But I hope at least the lower trade will close in profit. The Australian dollar, Japanese yen is moving up, everything is good here. Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, everything is good here as well. And Euro British pound, the price is also in profit for now. A sharp drop in the Australian dollar, Canadian dollar pair. Maybe the Australian dollar is falling or the Canadian dollar is rising. Let's see. In any case, for now it's unclear how the trade will close. We need to wait. Basically, the drop is over and the price is going up again. Dollar, Japanese yen, first trade. This top trade is closing at a loss. And now the Euro Australian dollar trade will be closing. There are 11 seconds left here. Here, the price started to fall. Everything is good. The forecast should be correct, and the trade should bring a profit. In total, I opened 7 trades during this trading session. It's possible that all the remaining ones will close in profit, but let's see how it actually turns out. Let's not get ahead of ourselves, because anything can happen in the market. Now the Euro Japanese yen trade will be closing. Everything is good here as well. The price also went up. We entered at the very bottom, and the price stayed in the profit zone for the entire trade. The trade closes with a predictable profit. Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, the trade also closes in profit. Here too, the price moved quite far into the profit zone. Everything is good here. Basically, the only problem so far is with the dollar-yen pair. Here the price is stagnant, it doesn't want to rise, but it's not planning to fall either, at least for now. It's worth waiting a little. Now, the Australian dollar, Japanese yen, and the Euro British pound are both confidently in profit. Most likely, both of these trades will close this way. Yes, the Australian dollar, Japanese yen trade is closing. That was also a confident entry. The price stayed in the profit zone throughout the entire trade. Euro British pound was also a confident entry. And again, throughout the whole trade, the price was in the profit zone, and of course it will bring a profit. 12 seconds left here, then only the USD JPY trade remains, but it's still unclear with a minute left. The trade is closing, and in the end, it closes at a loss. Both losing trades were on the US dollar and Japanese yen. All the other 5 forecasts closed quite well and ended in profit. Not a bad trading session, not a bad trading day, and the market is behaving quite predictably. Well, that's all from me, friends. If you're interested in how I find entry points, you'll find that in the description of this video. There are links to educational materials. Everything is free, everything is open access, and you don't need to register anywhere. Just go in, read, and improve your trading skills. That's all from me. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, like, and leave comments. Wishing you successful trading, and see you soon.